Yeah, you're absolutely right. Because on these houses, even though we pawn off the repairs and maintenance to the tenant buyers, remember that you are still the owner of the property and it's in your best interest to make sure the property stays in good condition. So even if you had a tenant buyer in the house and the AC is broken and or the roof is leaking or something happened and they came to you and said, hey, I can't fix this. And you're like, well, too bad. And you let the house deteriorate over the course of years and, years and years. And then you're going to be getting back a house that needs a lot of work and it doesn't make sense. So at some point, you got to make business decisions to either
Yes.
negotiate that with that tenant buyer and or you may just have to fix a roof or you may just have to pawn up some money to put a AC in the house for the betterment of your asset, right? Asset protection, because you don't want that house to be ruined um, over a few $1,000 that you just were being stubborn on giving. And again, every situation is different, right? But I'm only talking about major components of the house. Roof,
Sure.
AC. Hey, the plumbing is backed up and it's leaking into the house. I don't have the money to fix it. Are we going to say, well, sorry, you agreed. Let's let the sewage back up in the house and your
Right.
problem. No, it's your
Right.
problem. You own the house
Right.
technically still, right?